Hey there, Chris Brown, Med Preservation Inc. And today I'm making this video to tell you a little bit about myself and why I started Med Preservation. I am a pharmacist. I've been in the pharmacy realm for about 20 years. I know I'm showing my age there. I've also been a Meditech consultant for almost 10 years. And I really believe in electronic health records and what they can do for our patients. I try to treat every situation like it's my family member that may be in that hospital and set things up accordingly. I also try to look at it like whatever I set up is always going to be there until maybe the facility gets a new electronic health record. I've worked for small critical access hospitals. I've also worked for large healthcare organizations. So I've kind of run the gamut of different types of healthcare providers. I've also done a lot of ambulatory work as well. So I'm doing these videos to kind of hopefully start spreading a little knowledge, optimize Meditech, start a discussion about certain topics that I'll be presenting, and also just to provide some value to both my customers and also anybody else out there in the Meditech world that might need a little help. So I want to be your consultant. If you don't have one or you need help, or even if you just want to bounce a question off me, shoot me an email. If you have my number, obviously text me. You can find that on my website, www.medpreservation.com. And especially if you're in a rural critical access area and you have a hard time getting people to your facility, I want to be your consultant. I want to be that guy. So please keep me in mind. And as I said before, any questions that you may have, if I can answer it, I will definitely do it. If I can't, I'll let you know too. I'm honest. Look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward to creating many more vlogs, as the kids call it, in the days and months to come. So take care out there. We'll talk to you soon.